Ahsan Allahu ilayk.
Wa
My
ilaykum.
question, my question is, we know that if a person masturbates while fasting, his fast breaks because of ejaculation, right? So
Correct.
what if a person have any bad thought, or he watches something haram and then he ejaculates, unintentionally ejaculates? So would that break his fast or not?
This is an issue of dispute among scholars whether a person who ejaculates during the daytime of Ramadan without any action, just fantasizing. So some scholars say that because he did not act upon it, these intrusive thoughts, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that Allah has forgiven my ummah for my sake for whatever intrusive thoughts that cross their minds, as long as they do not act upon it nor speak about it. And in either way, the man or the person who's fantasizing or thinking of something and then all of a sudden ejaculates, if there is such a person, he's in big trouble. But if there is such a person, then the scholars say that this does not impact his fasting because he did not do anything action-wise. So it's like a nocturnal emission, as if he was asleep. But if he's watching haram, and this is an action by itself, so this breaks his fasting, and Allah knows best.